Ahmed, I guess this is your number. Okay. Okay, thank you. I will just save it. Yes, Sahel, for the first one, it is correct. Also, send for the second one. No, that is not right. Try again. A1. Oh, question number 9 आपने लिखा ना? नहीं, second और नहीं, that's not right. हाँ, अब सही है. Okay. Arham. Others, Adriel, Abdurrahman, Maimuna, Sahel, Samaira. Please send the answers. Sahel ने तो भेज दिया. Samaira and Zach, send the answers. Okay, Samaira, just looking at your. Yeah, for the first one, it is correct. Yeah, very good. Second one is also right. Assalamu alaikum, Arham. Am I audible? Yes, Arham Muhammad. Yes, Zad first and second one is correct. Very good. Waiting for Abdurrahman, Maimuna, and Adriel. Adriel, can you send the answers? Yes, Adriel, yes or no? Oh, okay, fine. So Zaifa. अच्छा, by the way, Maimuna, आपने ना क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं भेजा हमें. Yeah, Maimuna, for the first one, it is correct. Yes, Maimuna.
Oh, okay, sir. I actually forgot about it.
ठीक है, भेज दीजिएगा. Yes. First one is correct, Maimuna. Abdurrahman, both of your answers is correct. Very good. Okay. What about the next one, Maimuna? जल्दी बता दीजिए आंसर, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. Huzaifa, you also send the answers. Don't write the question if you are late, okay? First send the answer, then you can start writing the question. Read the question and try to do it directly. No, Maimuna, rethink about the second one. Rethink about the second one. Yeah, now it is correct. Okay, please write this question. Ignore this term molecularity as of now. Okay, please ignore this term molecularity. Walaikum assalam, Fahad. Please, Fahad, don't write the questions. Start doing the first these three questions. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Don't write, okay? You're late. सीधा start कीजिए लिखना आप. Answer लिखना चालू कीजिए. Adriel, this is for which question? Question number 1, 2, or 3? No, that is wrong then. Please see where you are making mistake. Read about order of reaction. Okay, you're making the same mistake जिसके बारे में last class में हमने बहुत डांटा था सबको, है ना? जो आपने order लिखा है, like it's pretty much visible why you are writing that order. You're looking at a chemical reaction. You can never tell the order of a reaction by looking at chemical or balanced chemical equation. It does not have anything to do with the stoichiometry. The same thing I'm repeating from the last 3 classes. There's nothing to do with the stoichiometry. Look at the rate law expression, it is given, and then you can see what is the order of reaction. हाँ, so अगर रेट नहीं, अगर आपको नहीं दिखा तो फिर आपको बोलना चाहिए सर कैसे पता करें. आप केमिकल इक्वेशन देख के कभी आपको ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन नहीं बता सकते आप, ठीक है? यस अहमद, दैट इज करेक्ट. सहल, नो, wrong. Sir, that is wrong.
Both the parts, sir.
Both the parts, obviously both the parts ना, order से ही फिर आप यूनिट बता रहे होंगे ना, right? सहल,
Right, sir.
Samaya again wrong. वही आप लोग वही कर रहे हैं ना समायरा, यू आर लुकिंग एट द केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड यू आर सीइंग कि एक एक स्टोइचियोमेट्री है ना, तो फिर ऑर्डर 2 होगा, राइट समायरा?
Yes, sir.
यस समायरा, यस और नो, प्लीज टेल मी।
Yes, sir.
आई कांट हियर यू, कांट हियर यू, टेल मी इन चैट। एंड सेल यू आर आल्सो डूइंग द सेम थिंग, है ना? केमिकल इक्वेशन में देख के आप ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन बता रहे हैं, राइट?
No, sir. Here, rate equals to K, then.
हाँ,
But yeah, so we studied that when rate equals to K, then the concentration of both is 1, right?
तो ऑर्डर
So
के बारे
one,
में, कंसंट्रेशन तो हमको काम ही नहीं है ना, ऑर्डर आप बताइए।
so yeah, that's what. So अगर example A to B है और दोनों का 1 1 है, तो ऐड करने से 2 मिलेगा. That was my concept.
नो, दैट इज रॉन्ग। आप ये बताइए, आपको यहाँ कंसंट्रेशन दिया हुआ है,
नहीं sir,
तो फिर आपने कैसे अज्यूम कर लिया कि 1 है?
because rate equals to K, right? And when the notes you wrote.
वो उससे कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है, कंसंट्रेशन के बारे में रेट थोड़ा बताता है। आप कंसंट्रेशन जो है ना, क्या ऑर्डर डिपेंड करता है कंसंट्रेशन पे? कितना, अगर ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन लेंगे तो ज्यादा ऑर्डर हो जाएगा, ऐसा होता है क्या? यस दैट, वेरी गुड, दैट इज करेक्ट। हाँ सहर बताइए आप। हैं? Abdul Rahman, can you please explain me? I could not understand.
Sorry, sir. Sir, I'm sending you again,
Sorry?
sir. There was one mistake.
अच्छा, देखिए कंसंट्रेशन तो यहाँ पे होगा ही, ठीक है? इट विल डिपेंड ऑन द कंसंट्रेशन, यू विल हैव द कंसंट्रेशन टर्म्स हियर। दूसरी बात यानी कि रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन जो है वो तो कंसंट्रेशन के हिसाब से बदलता रहेगा ना। तो अभी ये रेट इक्वेशन है, क्या बोलते हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर कंसंट्रेशन के लिए अगले कंसंट्रेशन के लिए कुछ और रेट इक्वेशन नहीं ना होगा, रेट इक्वेशन इज सेम, ओके? रेट इक्वेशन सेम होगा हर एक कंसंट्रेशन के लिए, इट डज नॉट, रेट का इक्वेशन फिर से हम बोल रहे हैं, रेट एक्सप्रेशन इज सेम फॉर ईच एंड एवरी कंसंट्रेशन, बट द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, द वैल्यू जो स्पीड ऑफ रिएक्शन है वो चेंज होती है। हाँ फहद, ये सही है आपका, सेकंड वाला सही है, फर्स्ट का आपने आंसर नहीं दिया। ना, अगेन रॉन्ग, रॉन्ग। कंसंट्रेशन 1 है ही नहीं ना, वो तो हम आपको बोल रहे हैं कंसंट्रेशन 1 नहीं है, कंसंट्रेशन है, कुछ भी हो सकता है कंसंट्रेशन, इट कैन बी फ्रॉम 0 कैन बी एनीथिंग, 0.0001 से लेके 1 मिलियन मोल्स पर लीटर भी हो सकता है। उन सब चीजों में तो वैलिड नहीं होगा ना ये फिर रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन। देखिए, रेट विल बी इक्वल टू K into the concentration of H2 into the concentration of Cl2, ठीक है, to the power sum x to the power sum y। अब ये बात बताइए आप, अगर रेट इक्वेशन ये है तो x और y की वैल्यू क्या होगी? You have to think in that way ना। concentration is sum, so ये भाई बोल रहे concentration तो डिपेंड ही नहीं करता है, बात ही नहीं समझ रहे आप लोग। 0 is equal to 2 क्या लिखा आपने? हाँ अब्दुल रहमान, इज इट ऑर्डर?
Yes, sir. Order.
अरे ऐसे लिखिए प्लीज, ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कम से कम OR लिख दीजिए। अगर आपका ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन आपने 2 लिखा है तो फिर आपका ये सही है, यूनिट ऑफ K, ये बताइए आप।
Yes, sir.
यूनिट ऑफ K सही है आपका, अगर ऑर्डर 2 होता तो सेकंड ऑर्डर के लिए
Sir,
क्या
it's
होता है यूनिट?
zero order reaction, right, sir?
तो फिर आपने तो 2 लिखा है लेकिन, हाँ
Sir, it's 2 for 0 order reaction, right, sir?
2 for 0, ये क्या मतलब? 2 for 0 का क्या मतलब होता है? अब्दुल, कीप योर माइक ऑन प्लीज, स्पीकिंग टू यू। हाँ कैन यू कीप योर माइक ऑन अब्दुल रहमान, व्हाट हैपेंड?
Yes, sir.
जी बोलिए। ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या लिखा है आपने, कितना है?
सर 2.
2 है। ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कितना है? 2 है। तो जो सेकेंड
Yes,
ऑर्डर रिएक्शन होता है तो उसके लिए यूनिट क्या होती है की? जी
sir, liter mole inverse S minus 1.
तो ये दोनों में से कोई एक चीज तो गलत है आपका, है ना?
जी सर, यूनिट गलत है.
यूनिट गलत है और ये सही है। अच्छा ये बताइए आपका ऑर्डर 2 कैसे है? व्हाई इज द ऑर्डर 2?
Sir, because same concentration as you said that X
नहीं,
and
हम
Y.
तो सेम नहीं बोल रहे हैं। हमने कहा सेम कहा? हमने बोला कंसंट्रेशन कुछ है ही नहीं, कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ कंसंट्रेशन यहाँ पे। कंसंट्रेशन का लेना ही देना नहीं है इस सवाल का, कंसंट्रेशन का। हम आपको अभी ये जो बताएं इसमें आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया। रेट विल बी इक्वल टू, क्या होता है रेट एक्सप्रेशन? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H2 टू द पावर x, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Cl2 टू द पावर x, सॉरी x नहीं होगा, y होगा, कुछ और भी हो सकता है, x एंड y। वी डोंट नो व्हाट आर x एंड y, टेल मी। आपको यहाँ पे रेट एक्सप्रेशन, रियल रेट एक्सप्रेशन दिया हुआ है, इसमें फिट कीजिए x और y की वैल्यू क्या होगी जो आपको ये वैल्यू मिल
Yes,
जाए।
1 होगी सर.
x और y की वैल्यू 1 होगी। अगर x और y की वैल्यू 1 होगी तो आपके पास ये इक्वेशन रहना चाहिए था ना यहाँ पे। H2 और Cl2 को इन लोगों ने क्यों ओमिट कर दिया? बात समझ में आ रही है? ये सब
Yes
रहमान।
sir. Yes
तो
sir.
अगर 1 होता, फिर से सुनिए बात को, 1 होता तो यहाँ पे लिखना चाहिए था ना, तब तो डिपेंड करता ना। इस रेट को देखिए, क्या रेट कंसंट्रेशन पे डिपेंड कर रहा है?
No sir.
रिएक्टेंट कंसंट्रेशन पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, हाँ या ना बोलिए।
No sir.
नहीं डिपेंड कर रहा है तो कौन सा ऑर्डर होगा?
तो 0 ऑर्डर होगा.
बात समझ में आई कि नहीं है अभी भी?
Yes.
ये समझ करेक्ट। देखिए इस तरह के सवालों के साथ थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए, ठीक है ना? बिल्कुल सेम सवाल एक बार और पूछा गया था, सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है, दोनों अलग अलग जगह पर पूछा गया था, लेकिन Josefa, now it is correct. देखिए it is the same question, okay? Here also the order is equal to what? 0. The unit of K will be moles per liter per second. Josefa, you attended the last class, na? Josefa, Josefa, you left early. आपने watch फिर देखा नहीं? Notes complete नहीं किया आपने? Yes or no? Did you watch the lecture? क्यों नहीं देखा आपने? जी, Josefa? No, देखिए हम like just a second. Sorry. देखिए if you miss a lecture, don't sleep for 2 hours, watch the lecture. ठीक है? I don't want that, okay? I don't want this that कि आप लोग लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, फिर रिकॉर्डिंग्स मिल रही, रिकॉर्डिंग्स भी नहीं देख रहे। I will not explain, आप देखिए खुद से हो जाएगा, ठीक है? क्लास में हम बताएंगे कहीं पे, आप उसको समझिएगा। दिस इज अ पनिशमेंट, आप लोग कुछ और तो पनिशमेंट दिया नहीं जा सकता है। I don't know how you are so comfortable with this ये अटेंड क्लास भी नहीं करना है। ओके, इतना कंफर्टेबल मत हो जाइए पढ़ाई को लेके। एक क्लास का भी आप लोग ने रिवाइज करके नहीं रखा है। दूसरी चीज, रिवाइज करके आना रहता तो फिर लेक्चर तो कंप्लीट रहना ही चाहिए आप लोगों का। चलिए, लेट्स राइट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। राइट दिस क्वेश्चन प्लीज। All of you wrote this question, yes or no, please tell me. Is everyone done writing this question?
Yes.
Okay, please see. Whenever you get this type of question, first of all, what you will see the language of this question. A reaction is of second order. So what we know, you know that the order of reaction is equal to 2. That means if I have such reaction, A giving me B. So for this, the rate equation will be, now as soon as you see the second order, this thing should happen in your brain, otherwise in your notebook. And I will prefer that you write these things. As soon as you hear this word second order with respect to its reactant, what you are going to write, you are going to write the rate law expression. Rate law expression is equal to R into, R is equal to the rate constant K into the concentration of A to the power, what should be the power here?
2.
2. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. You will write this thing. Okay, rate equation लिखिएगा आप लोग. Then what you can see, how will its reaction rate be affected if the concentration of the reactant is double? What they are doing, they are doubling the concentration. So first of all, we got the R1. Okay, this was the initial rate. That was equal to K into the concentration of A to the power 2. Now please write this thing down if you cannot remember it. Okay, please write this thing down कि आप लोग को क्या लिखना रहता है पहले. ठीक है, हम ये नहीं देखना चाहते कि आपने ये R1 नहीं लिखा है. As soon as you hear this second order, you will write the order of reaction is equal to 2. The reaction, a sample reaction, let's suppose A giving me B, and the rate law expression is going to K into A to the power 2. This should be there for first thing. अगर इस तरह का कोई सवाल आया तो ठीक है. Next thing is that they are asking for the first case, when doubled. Now when it is doubled, then the rate will change. So R2, because rate of reaction is dependent on the concentration. The rate expression is not, rate expression could change nahi hota hai. It is still the concentration of A to the power 2 and K will be there. So we have K. Now since the concentration of A is now 2A, we'll write 2A because it is doubled to the power 2. Now this will be equal to K into 2K square into the concentration of A to the power 2. This will be equal to 4K A square. This is my rate of reaction when the concentration is doubled. I can very much see that R2 is equal to 4 times this particular value, K to the A square is R1. So I will write increases by 4 times. Now the second case, what is happening? It is getting half. Okay, in the second case, it is getting half. Now here also, this will be R3 now. R3 is equal to K. Now the concentration of A has become what? Concentration of A to the A by 2 squared. Now this will be equal to K. I can write 1 by 4 A square. Now this will be equal to 1 by 4 into K into A square. And this I can write this as 1 by 4 of R1. You'll write when it is half, it decreases by 1 by 4 times. Okay, so please write this down. समझ के लिखिएगा इसको. This is the first thing we will do multiple questions इस तरह के, but this is the first thing I want to see in your notebook. Okay. Yeah, that is correct. Correct, sir. All of you done? Yes or no, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Next. Ignore this first part. Now read till here. Write the rate equation R1. Here we have two things, A and B. I hope you can write it. You will write the rate law expression and send it to me on WhatsApp. Josefa, rethink about the. No, A and B are reactant in the same reaction at real. Josefa, rethink about the second one. Yeah, that is correct. Yes, Ahmed, that is correct. Now it is correct, Josefa. Very good. No, Samira, A and B both are reactant. Okay, A and B both are reactant. If it is having an order तो सिर्फ reactant का ही हो सकता है ना? There is one reaction A plus B giving me some product P. इसके लिए आपको लिखना है rate law expression. Concentration यहाँ पे क्या होगी? और यहाँ पे X and Y को आप plug in कर दीजिए बस. नो सर, आप प्लीज ठीक से लिखिए रिएक्शन को. दो अलग रिएक्शन नहीं है, सेम रिएक्शन. हाँ, yeah, that is correct. Very good. It is single reaction only. Okay. यहाँ तो आपको लिखा हुआ है ना, a reaction is एक reaction है. Is a second order in A and first order in B. Ahmed, please send the answer on my WhatsApp. Yeah, now it is correct, Samira. Now write for the second one. What will be R2? This is R1. What we are doing? We are doubling the concentration of A. B वैसा ही का वैसा ही है. हाँ, Adriel, that is correct. Yeah, same thing. Sahel, अब आप R2 के लिए लिखिए. Okay, where the concentration of A is 2 times and B is same. B में कोई change नहीं आया. Sorry, A is 3 times. Sorry, not 2 times, 3 times. My bad. No, अहमद आपका तो यही सही नहीं है. It's not right. और थोड़ा सही से लिखिए, ऐसे तिरछा तिरछा क्यों लिख रहे हैं आप? Yeah, Samira, that is correct for the first one. Sorry, मतलब first तो आपका rate expression तो सही था. The second one is also correct. Try it for the third one. Maimuna, what happened? No answer from you. हाँ तो also sir, can you please write कि क्या change हो रहा है, कितना बढ़ रहा है, कितना घट रहा है in like words as I have written increases by this many times. Again same thing, Abdul Rahman. पहले बारे में आपने लिख दिया increases by how many times. Second में भी लिखिए increases by how many times. Maimuna, what happened? Can you please speak, Maimuna?
Yes.
Yes, what happened? You have not sent any answers.
Seven.
I could not hear that.
Seven.
Okay. So too many cuts and here and there. Okay. Ahmed, please write it clearly. And
Okay.
can you show me how you have written the previous question?
The first one. Okay.
Can you please show me the previous question?
Okay, sir.
How you have written it? Yes, Samara, very good. Correct. No. No. अब्दुल हमने तो ये टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज नहीं किया ना कि रिएक्टेंट इतना टाइम बढ़ता है और प्रोडक्ट इतना टाइम बढ़ता है, राइट? अब्दुल did we use that terminology?
No, sir.
The rate is increasing. What is increasing, Abdul
Rate.
Rate is increasing. ठीक है. आप यहाँ पे इसको देखिए ना, 4 and 2 को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 8 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. Can you at least play with that equation now, Abdul
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. हाँ, थोड़ा सा मेहनत कीजिए, आ जाएगा. हाँ, now it is correct, Sahel. ये अहमद तो पता नहीं कहीं पे भी नहीं. अहमद,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो इससे पहले जो हमने सवाल कराया था वो दिखाइए आप हमें, आपने क्या लिखा है?
Sir, no Hindi.
Sorry?
No Hindi, sir.
I'm saying that please can you show what is the previous question? We did a question now, right?
Oh, okay.
Send me that, how you have written that. I want to see your notes.
So the very first one or the second?
Send me both.
Okay.
Yeah, Fahad, that is correct. Try it for the next one. Mamuna, you are still sending the answer. I could not get the answer till now.
So I
अच्छा, ठीक है,
sent.
आपने- हाँ, ठीक है, that is correct. Ahmed, please send it fast. You just need to click pictures now for the previous questions.
Sir, I have sent you the question, like answer.
So why you are not writing like this? आप अगला सवाल ऐसे बिल्कुल उल्टा सीधा क्यों लिख रहे हैं इधर? अगर रूल इस तरह से है तो आप why are you writing like this? If your rules are like this, then why are you writing rate is equal to k into a into something something? Are you doing it at the are you doing it on the back side of the paper, like in your notebook? Yes, Ahmed?
Yes, sir. I just want to like doing it rough, like roughly.
No, no,
Once
no.
I get like once
No,
I
no,
know
no,
the
no, 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 no,
answers.
no, 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 no. Do it in the fair page. If it is
Okay.
wrong, you will cut it. If it is wrong, you're going to cut it. No use of whitener also. Okay. Because once you are revising, you should know what are the mistakes you have made earlier. I know. What is the use of mistake? Tell me, Ahmed.
We have to know.
Mistakes are made so that you will not make it once again. So you should know your mistakes, right?
Yes, sir.
And if you have not known your mistakes, then how are you going to work on it? Okay. So the
Yes.
mistake should be there in your own notebook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please don't write anywhere else. Write the rate expression. I think you write the rate expression. What I am saying, this one. Okay. And show me that. और किसने आंसर नहीं भेजा है? I think everyone has sent the answer, no? I'm gonna do it fast. Okay, see. The rate is equal to the rate constant K into the concentration of A. Since the order of A is second order, it will be 2, and the concentration of B to the power 1. Okay. Now, for these type of questions, please listen very carefully. I'm not much of a fan of using the word trick, but you can call this as a trick. What you need to look at, you first of all write this equation. This is most important. Okay, this is important. You should know what is the rate law expression. Either it will be in your head or you have to write it in your notebook. Yes, perhaps second one is also correct. Now, the only thing that you have to see is what is the change, whatever change is happening, and change to the power of order. Change to the power of order. If multiple things are changing, then change 1 to the power of order 1. Okay, if A is changing and B is both are changing, then multiplied by change to the power order of the second case. Okay, if the second item is changing. But basic idea is that you should be having this in mind. Please don't write anything. Change raised to order. Now, in the first question, what is the second question here? What is changing? Tell me. A or B, what is changing?
A.
A is changing, and it is becoming what? 2 times, 3 times, 4 times?
3 times.
3 times. This is the change. And what is the order of A?
2.
This will become 9. So it will be 9 times. In the third case, what is changing? A, B, or both, or only A, only B? Tell me.
Both.
A is also changing. And how much is A changing? Tell me. A is becoming? A is
Double.
becoming what times, please?
Doubled. 2.
That means it is doubling 2 times. Right? And what is the power? What is the order of A? It is 2.
2.
Similarly, for B, it is also changing 2 times. It is getting doubled. And you can see that this is equal to 4 into 8, 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 times. I hope you can do this question without picking up the pen also now. Okay.
Yes,
Change to the power of order. If multiple things are changing, then change order into change order into change order. Okay. Now please write. Just a second. I think I'll have some questions somewhere. Just paste it. Actually, right. How is the order affected? Sorry, how is the rate affected? in following cases. Please write number A. The rate of reaction is what? A and B. Okay. And let's suppose we are saying that for the first case, A is doubled. Then rate will become what times? Tell me, guys. Tell me fast.
Four.
More people. Send the answer in chat. Sorry, send the answer in chat. जल्दी जल्दी. नोटबुक में कुछ नहीं लिखना है. A अगर डबल करेंगे तो क्या होगा? What will be the rate? Look at the order. Think about the order. Okay. हाँ. फहद, रेट का क्या चेंज होगा? रेट कितने टाइम होगा? अभी हमने बताया ना, चेंज टू द पावर ऑफ ऑर्डर. ए को डबल करेंगे तो आदिल करेक्ट, समायरा करेक्ट, अहमद करेक्ट. प्लीज गाइस आंसर. मोर पीपल, मैमूनाज, एद, यस सहल करेक्ट. हुजैफा, if A is double, what will happen to the rate? And those who are not able to write, I mean, who are not able to think about it, please write what is the change to the power of order. You will understand what is the change happening. Okay. Right, another concentration of 3. A is doubled. मैमुना आपको नहीं आया क्या? मैमुना आपको नहीं आया, जल्दी बताइए किस किस को नहीं आया ये वाला चेंज टू द पावर ऑफ ऑर्डर. Raise your hand if you did not understand change to the power of order. All of you understand, but answer नहीं आ रहा किसी को. अब नहीं आंसर आ रहा तो फिर आप लोग को पेन चलाना पड़ेगा. लिखिए चेंज क्या है उसके ऑर्डर को. Tell me for the first one. Here A is doubled and B is halved. What will be the change? What will be the effect on the rate of reaction? Answer in chat, okay? हाँ हुजैफा, नहीं 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 नो 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 हुजैफा, that is wrong. I don't know what you're writing. हमने B V कुछ नहीं लिखा था भाई, आप लोग क्या लिखते हैं? जैद एक, हाँ ठीक है, जैद that is correct. A is doubled, B is halved. B में आपका क्या करेक्ट? प्लीज राइट द क्वेश्चन नंबर A और B. ठीक है, सिर्फ आंसर मत लिखिए प्लीज. आई विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड ना. हाँ B का फर्स्ट है, ये B का फर्स्ट है. ओके B का फर्स्ट है. यस हुजैफा करेक्ट. मैमूना कैन यू प्लीज आंसर मी? आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? यस
Yes, sir,
मैमूना टेल मी.
understood.
तो फिर आंसर कीजिए. एंड फहद, व्हाट अबाउट यू? आपको आया? यस फहद. हाँ ए में सही है आपका. ए का फर्स्ट वाला सही है. बी का लिखिए. बी का फर्स्ट क्या होगा? हाँ सेल दैट इज करेक्ट. आदिल दैट इज करेक्ट. नहीं, फिर से दोबारा से देखिए. दोबारा से ए डबल हो रहा है, बी हाफ हो रहा है. फहद once again, try once again. Fahad, other people can answer me for the second case. A is halved, C is doubled. नहीं 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 फहद, तुक्का मत मारिए, मार खाइएगा आप. तुक्का क्यों मार रहे हैं आप? नहीं आ रहा तो फिर लिखिए उसको. चेंज ए और बी में दोनों में चेंज हो रहा है ना. बी का सेकंड पार्ट, those who have answered please answer me. Second part of B. Increases by 6. Okay. B का सेकंड. B का second Adil correct. Zat is sorry. Okay. Apology accepted. Samaira B का correct है. Ahmed नहीं Ahmed आपका सही नहीं है. Huzafa very good. That is correct. Ahmed try once again. Zat it is still not correct. A और C क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Fahad, can you please turn your mic on? Fahad, can you please turn your mic on?
Yes, sir.
C क्या है? C क्या है? C क्या है? हाँ? What is C? C सवाल तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. I'm सवाल क्या है? पढ़िए तो. फहद, सवाल क्या है? How is the? माइक ऑन कर लिया इन्होंने. अरे how is the क्या है? पढ़िए. How is the?
Rate affected.
Rate affected ना? Concentration के बारे में हम कुछ पूछ रहे हैं? Am I asking anything about the concentration? Yes or no? Please tell me, Fahad.
No, sir.
No. ठीक है. और रेट में अफेक्ट कैसे निकालने के लिए हमने कहा है बताइए. ए और बी ये आपने लिखा था कि नहीं लिखा था बताइए. You write this part.
जी सर लिखा
फिर
है.
अब्दुलरहमान आप भी ये रिएक्टेंट के बारे में क्यों लिख रहे हैं आप? अब्दुलरहमान टेल मी अबाउट द रेट. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन रेट. हम फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहे हैं बिल्कुल. आजाद ठीक है आपका ठीक है. मैमुना सही है. मैमुना आप कहाँ हैं? फर्स्ट किसका फर्स्ट? ए का या बी का? मैमुना
B.
बी का. हाँ ठीक है. चलिए अगला ट्राई कीजिए. जिन लोगों को सही आंसर आ रहा है ना उन लोगों को एक चीज दिख रही होगी कि हम क्या पूछ रहे हैं. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि थर्ड में भी आपको पैटर्न आप कुछ मत दिखाने लगेगा. ठीक है जिन लोगों का आंसर आ रहा है. ये बताइए कितना है. थर्ड हो गया. एक कॉल कीजिए. एक सेकंड. Yeah, Adil, that is correct for the B, third case. I think that is correct. एक second. So
So
A
the
is
third
getting
one decimal, sir. Like, let be correct. Correct.
yeah. Ahmed, I cannot hear you.
So for
मैंने
the third one,
address
I'm
किया
keeping
ना.
decimal.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता. ऐसे बोलिए. सर बोलिए. प्लीज से सर.
Sir.
हाँ yes Ahmed, speak. Now you speak.
So for the third one, I'm getting in decimals.
It's fine now.
Okay.
It's fine. B third. No Zad, not right. Samaira, that is correct. And also what I would suggest is that whenever you get something in the decimals or some fractions, na, avoid writing the word increases or decreases. Okay. So it becomes this many times. Like if I'm asked, if I'm saying na, 1/1/4 times. Okay. This thing and this thing decreases 1/4 times. Both are same thing. लेकिन decreases में कभी कभी आपके पास ना गलती हो सकती है. Okay, when you are having fractions. Adriel got a gist, right Adriel? Okay. Good Adriel. Okay. Zad, now it is correct. Ahmed, I could not. Ahmed, what way you are saying in decimal T? And Ahmed, oh, okay. So can't you keep it in fractions? Tell me.
Yes,
That is
sir.
correct, bro. That is correct. That is correct, bro.
Okay.
Fourth one. Samaira, I mean, a better word of writing that will be, yeah, that is correct. Fourth one. Samaira, what will be the better word to write it? सहल तो हाँ या करेक्ट, सहल करेक्ट. समेरा आपने ठीक लिखा है, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा सा वर्ड्स में लिख दीजिए, क्या होगा? What is the change in the fourth one? Mamuna, I have not got any answer from you. Why? Mamuna, एक मिला था कई
Sir, I
जमाने पहले
sent.
आपको. कहाँ सेंट? एक भेजा है आपने, वो भी कब भेजा है पता नहीं. अच्छा अभी भेजा आपने, सॉरी माय बैड, अभी आया मेरे पास. हाँ अब सही है. थैंक यू मैमुना, थैंक यू वेरी मच. हाँ अहमद, दैट इज करेक्ट. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? उसको वर्ड्स में लिख दीजिए जरा एक बार. I think Abdurrahman, you're having some difficulty, right? Yes, Abdurrahman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who else? Fahad, you're having some difficulty. Yes, Fahad. फहद, हम पीट देंगे आपको, ठीक है? हम आ जाएंगे. कहाँ रहते हैं आप? आपको हमने बोला, हम रिएक्टेंट के बारे में पूछ ही नहीं रहे, आप रिएक्टेंट क्यों लिख रहे हैं? हाँ फहद, व्हाई आर यू राइटिंग रिएक्टेंट? कैन यू टर्न योर माइक ऑन फहद?
जी सर.
Fahad and Abdurrahman. Fahad, I need Fahad and Abdurrahman. Please turn your mic on. Okay. Now, what I said. Tell me, कैसे निकालते हैं whenever you are having any change?
Change to the power of order.
Change. फहद बोलिए. फहद प्लीज स्पीक.
Change to the power of order.
आप फहद है क्या? फहद कहाँ गए?
Change to the power order.
Very good. Change to the power of order.
Order.
What is changing in this case? Tell me. What is changing? A or B?
A.
A. How many times?
A.
What it is happening?
Double. 2 times.
Double. 2 times. What is the order of A?
1.
1. So this one will become, if A is doubled, rate of reaction will be 2 times. Okay, this 2 times is the change in the rate. Okay, what is this change? Change in the हाँ रुकिए.
Change in the rate.
हाँ, अभी यहाँ पे देखिए फर्स्ट वाले में बताइए क्या होगा. जस्ट अ सेकंड. चलिए इस वाले में बताइए आप लोग. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट इज चेंजिंग? ए एंड बी में से क्या चेंज हो रहा है? अब्दुर्रहमान एंड फहद.
A is doubled and B is halved.
Yes.
So
ए
2
में क्या हो
square.
रहा है? हाँ एक सेकंड. 2
Yes,
का
sir.
स्क्वायर और बी का, बी में क्या चेंज हो रहा है? बी हाफ.
1/2.
1/2.
हाँ 1/2, सॉरी. ठीक है, दिस विल बी 4 into 1/2, दैट मींस इट विल बी 2 times. बात आई समझ में? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
जी सर,
बात आई
समझ आ गया.
समझ आ गया? करना है?
जी.
नहीं करना नहीं है. बताइए इसका आंसर बताइए. माइक ऑन रखिए और आंसर बताइए. ऐसे ही आंसर बताइए इसका.
1/4. 1/4.
1/4. हाँ 1/4 इंटू
1/4 into 8.
हाँ कितना हो जाएगा?
So 4 times.
फिर से once again 1/4 into 8 कीजिए. 1/4 into 8 फिर से कीजिए. कैसे, कितना आएगा? दिमाग में कीजिए, दिमाग में.
4 times.
कितना टाइम? 4 टाइम्स. 4th क्लास में जाना है आपको. 1/4 into 8 ना, ये 4 आएगा.
2
हाँ,
2 times, sorry.
माइंड योर लैंग्वेज. नेक्स्ट वन बताइए. ऐसी बोलिए, जल्दी बोलिए. जल्दी भाई जल्दी. अब्दुर्रहमान आप बोलिए. A is triple, B is half.
Yes, sir. 3 to the power of
3 to the power
2.
माइक क्यों, हाँ माइक क्यों ऑफ हो जाता है आप लोग का? माइक ऑन रखिए, स्पेस बार से मत ऑन कीजिए, कर्सर से जाइए, बहुत खूबसूरत सा माइक का आइकन बना होगा, उस पर क्लिक कीजिए, माइक ऑन हो जाता है, ठीक है?
And so 1 by 2 to the power of 3.
हाँ, ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3 to the power of 2 क्या होगा? वैल्यू बताइए ना। 9 9 होगा।
Yes,
So 9 by 8
1 by
times.
9 by
1 by 8.
9 by 8 times.
9 by 8 टाइम्स आ गया। चलिए इसमें बताइए, जल्दी बताइए वाला। is but C is half। अरे बोलिए भाई, जल्दी बताइए। फास्ट फहद एंड अब्दुल, जल्दी। दिख नहीं रहा आपको? जल्दी बताइए,
Sir,
आंसर
2 to
दिखना
the
चाहिए।
power of
इतना अच्छा
2.
आंसर कर रहे हैं आप लोग। हाँ हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए, हम लिखेंगे नहीं कुछ, बोलिए। 2 to the power 2
So B,
into
so
B नहीं, into
sir 2 to the power of 3.
ये आपके पास स्टेट एक्सप्रेशन ये है। जल्दी, आंसर
Sir,
नहीं
A
आ
to
रहा
the
आप
power
लोग
of
का।
2 and then 2 to the
मतलब
power
से
of
आगे तो बढ़िए, 2 to the power of 2 से आगे बढ़िए। हाँ, 2 to the
2
power
to the
of
power
2
of 1
to the power of 1 upon,
and then 1 by 2 to the power
So
of
one
3.
time it increases one time.
हाँ, it remains same।
Okay.
ठीक है, it remains same, कुछ चेंज नहीं हो रहा इसमें। चलिए, आ गया सबको? yes or no, please tell me, all of you feel confident about these questions, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will move on to the next question। देखिए, अभी जो सवाल कराने जा रहे हैं ना, जो बच्चे रहते हैं ना, सर एग्जाम में क्या आएगा, सर एग्जाम में कैसे आएगा, सर कितने मार्क्स का आएगा सर, वो सारी चिंताएं हम दूर कर दे रहे हैं। ओके, एंड फॉर माय इंग्लिश व्यूअर्स, आई एम क्लियरिंग ऑल ऑफ दोस डाउट्स। चलिए, प्लीज राइट दिस क्वेश्चन, दिस विल कम इन 5 marks, not less than 5 marks। And the beautiful thing is that you can even do this mentally if you are a bit good in maths। if you are a bit good in maths, bit good, ठीक है? अगर आपने अपना 9वीं कक्षा 8वीं कक्षा को ठीक से किया होगा, 10वीं कक्षा, खैर आप लोगों ने तो बोर्ड्स नहीं दिया, all of you have not given boards ना, you will be giving boards for the first time। all of you wrote this, yes or no, please tell me। नहीं लिखा होगा, इतना जल्दी कहाँ से लिखेंगे आप लोग? लिखे लिखे आराम से लिखिए, raise your hand when you're done writing this, and please copy the value थोड़ा सा ध्यान से, ठीक है ना? मैमुना, आप लोग को मार्क्स कब मिलेगा? हाफ ईयरली वाला जो एग्जाम हुआ है अभी, फर्स्ट टाइम जो हुआ है,
Tomorrow.
क्या बोलते हैं आप? सुनाई ही नहीं देता है।
Tomorrow.
टुमारो? ओह,
Yes.
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस, हुजैफा एंड मैमुना। हुजैफा, एनी आइडिया वेयर इज योर फ्रेंड? आपके दोस्त आए, एग्जाम हुए, भाग गए? हाँ हुजैफा, हुजैफा, एनी आइडिया? अच्छा, ये सही, ओके ओके ओके, then I will talk to him। अरे रे रे रे, Raise your hand once you're done writing this question. मैम नवाल आपकी ही क्लास में है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. एमसीक्यूज कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं है आप लोग इसमें, एक एक मार्क्स से सवाल तो देखिए, लाइक बेंजाइलिक एंड एलाइलिक, ओके, ये सवाल भी आया हुआ है आप लोगों का। हम्म, हम्म, okay, okay, fine. I'm just waiting for Josefa and Mamuna. Okay, okay, fine. You all can lower your hand and please look here. Okay, first of all, let us understand what this question is giving me. This question is giving me experimental data. Okay, and whenever you have been given experimental data, आप बस समझ जाइए कि आपको इससे क्या निकालना है, order निकालना है. Why? Because we have already said that order of a reaction can only be determined experimentally, and obviously we know that the rate expression will be R is equal to the rate constant K, A to the sum power X, B to the sum power Y, है ना? अगर आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि a स्क्वायर होगा तो दोबारा देखिए तीनों लेक्चर्स को, तो आपको पता लग जाएगा a स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे b की पावर 1 नहीं होगा, it can be x and it can be y. Okay, some number x and some number y. Now our idea is to find, and our idea is to determine the rate of reaction. Okay, we have to determine what? The rate of reaction. And once we determine the rate of reaction, we know that the rate of reaction is also equal to the rate of appearance of D divided by the stoichiometry of D, that is equal to 1. Okay? Initially, they are asking me this: what is the rate of formation of D when this much is there? So we'll plug in the value of 0.5 moles, 0.2 moles here. I will get the rate of reaction. Then I will calculate the rate of appearance of D, rate of formation of D. Okay, fine. That is not very much of concern if I know the rate of reaction. So my main concern is the rate of reaction. And again, if I know the value of K, if I know the value of A and the B, then and X and Y, then it is of no concern. So main issue is the order of reaction. We have to find what? We have to find the order of reaction. The first thing that we are going to do is use this experimental data in order to calculate the order of reaction. So what I am going to write here, please see. For the first experiment, the rate is equal to what? 6.0, 6 into 10 to the power minus 3, right? Moles per minute. Can you tell me why, Josefa? Can you send the answer in WhatsApp? Josefa, can you send the answer in WhatsApp? Yes, Josefa, I'm speaking to you. Oh, can you explain? Turn your mic on.
Hello,
I explain
can you
me.
hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Explain me.
In the first experiment,
Uh-huh.
it's 0.1 mole for both A and B, right?
For both A and B, it is 0.1 mole, correct?
0.1.
Uh-huh.
And then we need to find 0.5 and 0.2
Yeah.
for A and B.
Sorry.
So if you multiply, A by 5 and B by 2,
A by 5 and B by 2. Okay.
so it's basically 5 into 2 into, so that's 10. And if you multiply 6.0 into 10 power minus 3 by 10, so
Multiply
I think
what?
that's what I did.
No, but X and Y are also there, no? Can you see them?
So no, you can't see them, right?
Sorry.
Oh, X and Y values, like the given
Yeah.
ones.
Sorry, it is given. What you are saying?
Yeah, they're given, right?
What is the X? Tell me.
0.1.
वो तो concentration ना, वो तो A के अंदर जो
Oh,
लिखा है.
okay, yeah. Yes, so do we really need to use those? Because I think my method was also correct.
You think your method was correct? Why? See
It
what
makes
you have
sense.
done. Makes sense. Achha, let me see. What you have done. You have said that. Okay, fine. This is the rate expression. R is equal to K, and then we have the concentration of A, that is 0.1 to some power X, and we have 0.1 so to some power Y, and this rate is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. And what you did, tell me? Obviously, this is, if you're not putting X and Y, this is not equal, right? Is this equal?
No, sir.
No. Okay. And you just did like 0, you just multiply 0.5 into 0.2, correct? To this whole, है ना? आपने तो यही किया ना? आपने इस यहाँ पे भी आपने 0.5 into 0.2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, इधर भी आपने 0.5 and 0.2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, करेक्ट?
No, sir. I multiplied by 5 and 2.
Multiplied by 5 and 2.
Yeah. So if you multiply by 5 and 2, you'll get 0.5 and 0.2.
So you multiplied here by, here you multiplied by 10, and here also you multiplied by 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. So if I multiply 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to, this is what? 0.1 K into 0.1. ऐसे. Tell me, is this, are they same mathematically? Tell me. Can you, do you think they are same? Yeah. I mean, is the equation correct? Tell me that.
Yes, it's correct.
Equation is correct. अरे कैसे ये दोनों बराबर कैसे हो सकते हैं? How can both of these things be same? अच्छा, दूसरी चीज मान लेते हैं. Let's suppose ये x और आपको ये नहीं दिख रहा है कि x और y की वैल्यू आपको नहीं पता है. Our rate expression is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, into k. Let's suppose a to the power of 2. ठीक है? And b to the power of 1. ये एक एक्सप्रेशन ले लीजिए आप, ठीक है? और दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन ले लीजिए 6 to the minus 3 is equal to k a to the power 0 b to the power 0. ठीक है? दोनों हो सकता है ना? Because it is x and y. Both are possible. Correct?
Yeah.
What will happen if okay, I cannot multiply 10 here. What you are doing exactly is you are making this as 0.5 and 0.2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, अब ये देखिए आप, if you are going to have this expression, then no matter what the concentration of A and B is, the rate is going to be 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Is it going to change if I have 0.5 and 0.2? Tell me. Will
No.
the rate change? No, no.
No, it
Rate is
won't.
going to be the same. Got it?
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
now.
please go by maths. Don't go by your feeling. Yeah, okay, Zad, okay. Yeah, Zad, if you want, you can leave. Yeah, Zad. Okay. So first of all, what we are going to do? First experiment, 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to the rate constant k into 0.1 to the power x, 0.1 to the power y. Second, this is going to be 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to k into 0.3 to the power x, 0.2 to the power of y. All of you got this? Yes or no? What we are doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Can you please write the third and fourth one? Okay. Third case will be 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 1. This was what, 0.3 now?
So third one is 0.3.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Thank you. All of you done? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
All of you wrote this? Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? No. Okay, fine. Very good. Now we have to calculate the value of x and y. We can calculate the value of x and y, but first of all, we have to choose an equation. We have to choose an equation or rather two equation in which one of the x or the y can be getting cancelled. Okay. X or y, we have to cancel one of them and then we are going to calculate for the next one. Okay. So what you have to see, what is a common concentration term in any two equation? देखिए तो कोई दो equation, can you see any two equation in which the concentration is same? Where the concentration of A is same to concentration of A, concentration of B is same to, or concentration of B is same to concentration of B, or
The
okay.
first equation, the first experiment.
First experiment and
Uh,
The fourth.
in which of the two? Okay, you have to select two, and in those two, one of the concentration terms should be same. Tell me, Adrian, you tell me any two
The
equations.
second and third.
Second and third. Okay, Mamuna, Sahel, Samaira.
So
Two
I didn't get
equations.
you. So can you
हाँ,
explain it again?
Yeah. You have to choose any two equation in which one of the reactant has same concentration. in which one of the reactant has same concentration. Can you see that?
Like
One
A
of the
and B should be same. The same.
नहीं, one of the reactant मतलब क्या हुआ इसका? A या B
Okay,
में
from
से
two.
कोई एक.
Okay, okay. Second and third, right?
Second and third है और एक है. Please see, there is one more.
One and
First and
fourth.
fourth.
1 and 4th, right? Samaira, Maimuna, all of you got this?
Yes, sir.
Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Abdurrahman, that's it. Okay, fine. Now
Yes.
you can divide any of these. To tell me, 1 by 4 or 1 and 4 or 2 or 3. Which one should I select? Tell me.
So 2 and
Look
3.
at the numbers. 6, 24. This seems fine, right? It can be cancelled easily, correct? So which is greater? Obviously, which is greater here? 4th is greater, right? So 4 divided by 1. All of these things which is greater and all, it is just to like ease up the calculation, nothing else. So 4 is 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to k 0.4 to the power of x 0.1 to the power of y divided by 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by k concentration of 0.1 x 0.1 y. Okay, so I will cancel this. Okay, I will cancel the k and then this will go by 4. Yes or no? This will go by 4. So you'll have 4 is equal to 0.4 upon 0.1 to the power of x. You can cancel this too by 4. 4 is equal to 4 to the power of x. Tell me, what will be the value of x? What will be the value of x? Tell me. What will be the value of x?
1.
Arey?
1.
हाँ भाई. All of you understood what to do? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next for the third one. Now what we have to calculate? We need to calculate for what? We need to calculate for y. So again, we have to do which is larger? 3 is larger. 3 divided by 2. 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 will be equal to k 0.3 to the power of x 0.2 to the power of y divided by k. To get the value of x and y, I can cancel this too. This will go by again 4. K and k can get cancelled. 0.3 to the power x, 0.3 to the power of x can get cancelled. 4 will be equal to 0.2 upon 0. Oh, just a second. Oh, sorry, this is 0.4 and this is 0.2, my bad. This is 0.4, 0.2. Y will be equal to how much?
2.
Because 2 square is equal to 2 to the power of y. So y will be equal to 2. Our rate expressions comes out to be a is to the power of 1 and b to the power of 2. Okay, let's see also one more thing. Once you have written this now, chemistry is completely over till here. Okay. And now you have to calculate, I mean, determine the value of x and y. This is completely mathematics, how you are going to determine. Okay. So you have to use your logic in order to set up the equations. Like, I mean, Josefa was asking, like, is there any like scientific reason why we are dividing? So we are dividing to get the value of x and y. We have a series of equations. We have to use those equations to get x and y. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is what? First thing is that you will write all of these particular experiment, the rate of reaction and the concentration. Okay, respective concentration. Then calculate the order. Once you have calculated the order, you will write the rate of reaction is equal to this much. Now you're going to use any one of these reactions, and then what you're going to find, you're going to calculate the value of rate constant. So you can write the rate constant K will be equal to the rate of reaction divided by the concentration of A to the power of 1, concentration of B to the power of 2. Okay. Now this will be equal to, now rate of reaction is what? Rate of reaction. Let's take the first case. Okay, you can take any one of the cases. Okay. I'm just taking the first case, 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Concentration of A is equal to 0.1. Concentration of B is also 0.1, but it is squared. So this will be equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by this is what 0.1 and 0.1 is 10 to the power minus 1 into this 10 to the power minus 2. So I think the K will be equal to 6. Okay, the unit will be liter square mole inverse 2 second inverse. Okay, you've got the rate constant, and once you have got the rate constant, you can directly determine the rate of appearance of D is equal to the rate of reaction. Why? Because the stoichiometry of D is equal to 1. Is वजह से. If it was something else, then it will be multiplied by the rate of reaction. Okay, so the rate of reaction is equal to K into the concentration of A to the power 1, B to the power 2. K is equal to 6 into, given the concentration of A is equal to what? 0.5 into, given the concentration of B is 0.2 ka square. Okay, we'll square it. Now this will be equal to what? 6 into 0.5 into 0.4. So 5 fours are what? 20. So it will be 2. So 6 into 2, that is equal to 12 mole per liter per second. Oh, just a second. Sorry. It will be 10 to the power. Sorry, my bad. This will be not 2, rather it will be what? 0.2, right? This will be 0.2. And the rate of reaction will be? Oh, sorry. I am making so many mistakes. Just a second, guys. This will be 0.04. So what I get? 5 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. This will be 5 was a 20, 120. 120 into 10 to the power minus 3. This will be equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 1. अब ठीक है, molar per second. Josefa is disappointed, right, Josefa? Yes, Josefa. See, it is not like, it's not very straightforward. Okay, once you have indulged in the order of reaction, you cannot just get a 5 marks by multiplying the 0.5, I mean 5 and 2. You can spend some more time, Josefa, if you are not like convinced like whether this will be the, I mean, if you're thinking that there is some quicker way of doing this by just multiplying something without calculating the order of reaction. Basically, that is the main part. If you think we can get the answer without calculating the rate, without calculating the order of the reaction, please, you may spend some time. Clarity आपकी अच्छी होगी. Please write this down, guys.